guys, it's Madi and today for my video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing 4 different hairstyles and they all involve braids, so let's get right into it. Okay, so for my first one I'm doing 2 ponytails with braids that go down into it. So for this one you just part your hair down the middle. Okay, so then once it's parted down the middle, just make sure, oh I didn't even brush my hair. I like to do outside braids, so I just do one side at a time, obviously. Okay, so before I put my ponytail in, I like to go just an inch or 2 down so that I have a lot of mess up room. I guess, because I'm going to be pulling my hair out. So I don't want any of the upper braid to come out while I'm doing it. So then once I have it here, then I just start pulling. So yeah, so I just pull out my hair all the way up to the top and make sure that you can pull it out however much you want, but I kind of like mine not really big and not small either, so. Take a hair from the ponytail and then I wrap it around the hair tie just so it kind of hides it. It makes it look a little bit more classy. And that's for that side, and then just do the same thing on the other side. Oh, I need to brush it. Okay, and then you just take another piece. I like to take it from not sure if I said this yet, but I normally take it from the back section of my hair. Just that. Okay, perfect. And that's that for the first hairstyle. It's just the whole part braids down to a wavy. And I already curled my hair. Okay, cool. Alright, for this second hairstyle, I'm going to be doing the half-up space buns braided with a Dutch braid. And then you just part your hair just in the middle or wherever you want it. And then split your hair. I like to go right by my eyebrows, the arch of my eyebrows, and then just reach back and go all the way to the back. But I just do one side, and then I like to ponytail off the extra hair on here and then just keep this side out of the way. So I'm going to put this one in a ponytail just for a minute. And I do these kind of more messier, so you can use a comb to make your part better if you really want it to. Looks so funny. Okay. So that just keeps it out of the way. And then I just braid this back. Twist it. I'm just kind of more lazy with it, but I just twist it and then go around and I kind of loosen it as I go around to make it look bigger, because with half up it's only half of your hair, so it's not as full, and so just spreading it out as you go makes it look a little bigger. And then just bobby pin it in. You can make it look messy or tight, whatever you want. Then I just pull it apart a little bit to make it bigger again. And that's that for that side. And then I go to my eyebrow arch again on this side. Take it back. Oh freak. Okay, there it is. And you're done! Yeah. I just don't because I use it. Alright, and then for me, I have a lot of baby hairs, so I always like pull it like really tight at the beginning. So if you're like me, I suggest just, it hurts a lot, but you get through it. That's like I'm like saying it. Literally like pulled my brain out. Oh yeah, and I also do not pull these apart because I just think it's, I don't know, they're kind of too small braids to pull apart, so it looks just messy. But if you're a messy hair type person, then go for it. So this is the completed space bun hair half up. I really like it because it still gives you like, I guess, hair to make you look like you're not a man. So I really do love that, so I would recommend. So for my third hairstyle, I'm just doing a braided back ponytail to like a mid ponytail. For this one, I don't.
Wait, is that the third or the fourth?
I don't know.
When the numbers stop.
Okay, parallel. And then I do Dutch. All of my braids are in Dutch because it's so much easier in my opinion. I think it's a little bit cuter to like kind of do more loose because it's like right on your face. So if you have like a bump right here, it'd look kind of weird. I used to not be able to look in a mirror or else it would mess me up because like pulling, you know, like it would just mess me up. And so I just kind of learned, but I taught myself how to look in a mirror. That's really weird. Alright, so then once I get to about mid head, then I just start braiding it down again, just so that you don't have, so that you have more hair to work with, so your braid doesn't fall out. And then I just put one of the smaller rubber bands in so I can take it out easier later. One again, because I need to do wrap it around again.
When's mine shot?
Alright, and then I just take a piece of hair and wrap it around my ponytail. And then it's all done and finished, and it's really super easy. It took me like, what, 5 minutes probably? Yeah, if that. It took me only like 5 minutes, so it's really good if you're on the go but still want to have like a cute little braid. Okay, so for my fourth hairstyle, I'm going to be doing 2 Dutch braids into a low bun. Put it down there. And then again, I just go down about like 1 to 2 inches lower than I need to make sure that I have enough space for my slippers. And I grab another small, there's so much hair in this. Let me grab a different one. Okay, so then I just put it down there. Okay, and then just move on to the other side. And I can start it. Alright, and then once I get to the bottom, I start like curving, like pulling tighter towards the middle of my head. And then I always do the 2 inches, like I said. I've drilled this in this video like 6 times. Okay, and then just take it once you have the 2. Then I take both of them and just ponytail them together. And then take these out. And if you want to, you can leave the ponytail because the ponytail is really cute too. Okay, so we're having really bad technical difficulties. So I don't even know where I was last. So I'm just gonna start turning around for the bun parts.
Do it here.
That one.
Oh.
Yeah. So just wrap it around, and then I do it twice, and then once I put it up here, and then pull it through halfway. I feel like I'm talking too much for it to be. And then I take the bottom part and tuck it into the middle where there's a rubber band showing, and spread it out, and then take bobby pins. And then take bobby pins and secure it down so it looks more spread out. So that's it for my hairstyles. Give the video a like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.